Hey, Mike Foster here. I'm eating the street. This time, it's Jimmy John's for a nice sub sandwich. Are you ready? Want to eat the street with me? Let's do it. All right, we're at Jimmy John's. I'm gonna go out there and get the sandwich. See you in a few.
Did you guys make my sandwich?
Look at this monstrosity. Jimmy John's. This is the Italian. Oh my gosh. I think it might be too big. Well, I'm going to open this up. Oh, look at this. That is the Jimmy John. Ooh. There's your... I think that is your thumbnail. All right. Oil, vinegar. Oh. Extra provolone. That's good. The Italian meat is fresh. Provolone is really good. We got lettuce, tomato, onion. Tomato, onion, lettuce, oil, vinegar, oregano. I think they did okay, and the bun is really nice. Sometimes buns get soggy because they're not built right, but this is built, it's a French roll. It's nice and firm on the outside, soft on the inside. That's what she said. My only criticism, it's not juicy enough. I'd add a little more oil and vinegar. So I'd say just a little dry, but that's just up to you to ask for more when you experiment. I should have asked for more because I already asked for more, and they didn't put a lot on. But all the ingredients are fresh. Okay, that's a nice looking sandwich, isn't it? Right? That's a baby right there. Yeah, that looks good. Jimmy John's. Try them, they're all over the place. And they make their sandwiches super fast. I got one to go for my wife too. Mike Eats the Street. Jimmy John gets a big thumbs up, they're good. My favorite sandwich shops are Capriati's, Jersey Mike's. Jimmy John's has now been added to that list. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And keep eating the street. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Well, baby babu! That one's too disturbing. I'll do it again. Sweet babu. That one's too pontificating. That's the sweet babu if I ever had one. That one seems sincere. I'll try another one. Sweet babu. That's the baby one. Try this one. Sweet baba. He's done.